Waikiki. I've been there today. So Jamie, the money is already gone. I bought something. As soon as I go there, I just can't resist, you know. Oh, this is new, this is new. For the ladies, you know, they started putting out, okay, baby. They started putting out the spring items, like, you know, spring dresses and so cute, everything, you know. So I just can't resist myself. Waikiki. In Waikiki, something is very interesting. Can I just show them?
Yeah.
There is automatic temperature measurer. Can you measure your temperature here?
Oh.
You just put your hand next to it and you see how much you have. So whenever you come in, you can do that.
Tamam, ölçtüm.
Kolay gelsin.
35.9.
This is very nice. Oh my god, I'm getting hot. Jane says my favorite shop. Yes, yes, mine too. Here's Moda Rica. It's a new shop that has opened. It's a beautiful one as well. Nice choices. Right next to John
Yes,
Rasco.
I am planning to buy sport shoes.
From here?
Yeah, but maybe not today. Or he sells everything.
Today is not about shoes, but they have a lot of nice options.